You know, we've been telling you the past couple of weeks about the salt shortage here in Northeast Ohio. And as this next big winter storm bears down on us this weekend, cities like Cleveland Heights are worried that they don't have enough.
The city is running dangerously low with thousands of tons of road salt still on back order. Our Sia New York has been keeping up with this, and she joined us live from the Cleveland Heights Salt Dome with the latest. Sia, good evening.
Good evening, Russ and Lena. The good news is Cleveland Heights received a portion of the salt that was ordered, but the mayor tells me they're not out of the woods yet. If they're not careful, they could be wiped out with this next big storm. It's no secret there's a serious lack of salt across several cities in Northeast Ohio, including Cleveland Heights. Mayor Jim Petras sounded the alarm last weekend in this social media post.
Hey everyone, I'm currently at Cleveland Heights Salt Dome. I wanted to personally let you know that I was informed this morning that we are critically low on salt.
Crews were forced to conserve supplies, even borrowing 150 tons of salt from another city just to scrape by. Cargill is the state contracted supplier for Cleveland Heights and many other cities trying to prepare. In a statement to 3 News, the company says it's working overtime to meet the needs of its customers. Mayor Petras tells me at this hour there's some relief, but they're not out of the woods yet.
Just because you order some amount does not mean that you're going to receive that. So we have placed 2 1,000-ton orders, and on Wednesday, Cargill delivered 500 tons of one of those 1,000-ton orders.
And there are concerns that it may not be enough with this next mega storm on the way.
Over the Thanksgiving holiday, we put down about 800 tons of salt, and so I'm very grateful that we received this order so that we can get through this next big snowfall, but we're eager to receive more salt from Cargill.
In the meantime, the cities of Shaker Heights, North Royalton, Avon, Strongsville, all posting on social media about the same challenges. Crews salting the main roads, dangerous intersections, hills, curves, schools, and hospitals. Streets will be plowed, but salt will be rationed.
As of now, it looks like the next big snowfall is going to be Sunday night. And so we have some salt on hand right now, but I ask that people be patient as we continue to work through this shortage and try to improve the service for residents.
Again, city leaders reminding people in all of those cities to keep in mind that some of those roads on the side may not get plowed as quickly, so drive very slowly, and please don't forget to give the plows some room so that those crews can get through and do the job. Russ?
Okay, advice worth repeating. See you, New Yorker in Cleveland Heights. Thank you.